Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by readying the essentials, your video file and the destination link. Make sure the file is in a supported format like MP4 and under the site size limit. Next, sign into the account that will host the link. Once done, navigate directly to the Upload, New Post, or Create Link area. You do this first so you avoid re-encoding or permission delays later. Then select the file from your device. Don't click Publish yet. Once the file starts uploading, monitor the progress bar and keep your connection stable. This prevents corruption. While it processes, fill in title and description fields so the link is meaningful. Choose privacy, public, unlisted, or private, and set any password or expiration if supported. If the platform offers transcoding or quality presets, pick one that balances quality and file size. Make sure to set a clear thumbnail and tags. These finish by generating or copying the shareable link and immediately testing it in an incognito or different account to confirm access and playback. Check the thumbnail, start time, and that permissions match your intent. If captions or metadata matter, confirm those load correctly. Once satisfied, distribute the link to recipients. If playback fails or the link is blocked, try clearing cache, re-encoding and re-uploading at a lower bitrate, or adjusting permission settings. This single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.